Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Heni Noviarita from Raden Intan State Islamic University Lampung, Indonesia, along with fellow lecturers Hafid Nurmasyuri from UIN Raden Intan Lampung, Jum Anggriani from Universitas Pancasila Jakarta, Hasani Ahmad Said from Universitas Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta, and Abdul Qadir Zailani from UIN Raden Intan Lampung. I will explain the summary of the article. The title of article, Islamic Economy Law, Perspective on the Optimization of Working Capital Financing in Financial Institution in Indonesia. This study investigates the utilization of Islamic economy legal principle in formulating effective, equitable, and Sharia-compliant mechanism for working capital financing. Islamic banking institution in Indonesia face considerable challenge of optimizing such financing, attributable to the limited integration of the digital technologies, regulatory framework that lack full responsiveness to contemporary development, and insufficient risk management capabilities that align with Sharia tenets. Working capital financial within Islamic financial institution in Indonesia is confronted with a range of intricate challenges, particularly in relation to risk, exposure, and operational mechanism. Given its status as the country with the large Muslim population, Indonesia possesses significant potential for the advancement of the Islamic financial sector. However, Islamic financial institutions encounter challenges in efficiently managing working capital financing, as the majority of such financing is structured through contract-based instruments, including murabaha, ijarah, and musyarakah. In practice, Islamic financial institutions face several challenges, including gharar, uncertainty or ambiguity in contracts, the management of non-performing financing, and structural limitation in profit-sharing financing mechanism. These factors collectively impede the optimal allocation and utilization of working capital financing. Research urgency, potential for development of Islamic finance. Indonesia, with the large Muslim population in the world, holds significant potential for the development of Islamic finance, according to data from the Financial Services Authority. In 2024, the total asset of Indonesia Islamic financial sector reached IDR 1,755 trillion, an increase from IDR 1,375 trillion in the previous year. The need for digital adoption. In the context of digital transformation and increasing competition among financial institutions, Islamic financial institutions must demonstrate a greater capacity for adoption and innovation to enhance their competitiveness compared to traditional financial institutions. Financial inclusion, promoting financial inclusion rooted in Islamic principles, particularly for micro, small, and medium enterprises. that remain underserved in terms of access to productive finance. Research novelty, a comparative analysis of Islamic economic principle. The studies explore the principle of Islamic economics that support working capital financing in Islamic financial institution, not only focusing on practical aspect but also considering the underlying concept and specific approaches to working capital financing. The study focus of working capital at a distinct category, examining structure and characteristic as implemented by Islamic bank through specific financing contract. Islamic financial technology information in this research explore potential innovation, particularly Sharia-compliant financial technology that the Islamic financial institution can adopt to overcome obstacles in working capital financing. Research objective. This study aims to examine the application of Sharia legal principle in working capital financing product, including related issues, innovation, and financing strategies, as well as the impact and benefit of working capital financing for Islamic financial institutions operating under the Sharia legal framework in Indonesia. Conceptually, the study makes a significant contribution to the enrichment of the body of literature related to Islamic finance and Islamic economic law. This research aims to explore the element of working capital financing principle with the ethical and charitable pillars of Sharia, while examining how justice, transparency, and avoidance of gharar and riba are implemented in practice. Research methodology. This research methodology qualitative approach. This study employ a qualitative approach using a literature review method to understand the effectiveness of working capital financing in Islamic financial institution. Descriptive analytical strategy. The collection and analysis of data information are conducted to describe working capital financing within the framework of Islamic economic law. Literature review. The study integrates various academic sources and primary reference, including books, journal articles, dissertations, and thesis and research report related to working capital financing by Islamic bank and Islamic economic law. Sharia economic principle in working capital financing. Justice, al-adl. The principle of justice serves as a fundamental foundation in working capital financing, ensuring that all parties receive balanced rights and obligations in financial transactions. Prohibition of riba. Sharia compliant working capital financing avoid elements of riba, which is considered exploitative and detrimental to one of the parties involved in the transaction. Partnership, the name of shirkah. Working capital financing emphasizes a partnership-based relationship between financial institution and client, rather than a mere creditor-debitor relationship. Transparency, information, disclosure, and clarity in contractual agreement are essential principles to prevent gharar in principal financial transaction. Contract or akad in Sharia compliant working capital financing, mudarabah, musyarakah, murabaha, and ijaroh. The role of the DSN MUI fatwas in digital financing. Fatwa of the National Sharia Council Indonesia Ulama Council number 116 of 2000 on information technology based practical principle respect insignificant milestone in development of modern financing system with Islamic financial institution, Sharia legitimasi for digital technology, ethical and normative framework, challenge in Sharia compliant working capital financing, technological limitation, non-adaptive regulation, and lack of qualified human resource. Innovation of Sharia compliant working capital financing. Number one, fintech Sharia, the development of financial technology platform that comply with Sharia principle aim to expand access to working capital financing, particularly for micro, small, and medium enterprises. Hybrid financing product. Number two, product innovation in financing that combines multiple Sharia contracts to meet specific customer needs, such as a combination of murabaha and wakalah. Islamic financial institution must develop innovative product that not only comply with Sharia principle but also remain competitive with conventional product in terms of convenience and benefit. The impact of Sharia compliant working capital financing. Total asset of Indonesia Sharia financial sector reach up year to year. Benefit of Sharia compliant working capital finance. One, economic justice, business sustainability, dan financial inclusion. Conclusion, Sharia economic practice play a significant role in working capital financing within Islamic banking institution in Indonesia. The structural principle of Sharia compliant financing, such as the absolute prohibition of riba, serve as the foundation for establishing a fair financing system that doesn't disadvantage customer. Islamic financial institutions utilize contract based on partnership, equity, and transparency, free from riba, and instead grounded in productive economic activities that generate added value for both parties. The perspective of Sharia economic law in optimizing working capital financing in Islamic financial institution is reinforced by fatwas issued by the National Sharia Council of Indonesia Ulama, DSN MUI, and oversight by the Sharia Supervisory Board DPS. The DSN MUI fatwa, particularly fatwa number 117, serve as the foundation for establishing in information technology based financing services that are aligned with Sharia principle. Finally, billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.